I'm the owner of Shisha Lounge in Cardiff City Road. Unfortunately, we had a fire in our premises. My advice to all the Shisha owners is to be a bit more careful when they dispose their coal end of the night. So all the leftovers of the coal end of the night, make sure you put it off correctly and do not leave your premises until all is being done correctly and everything is gone off correctly. Double check again to make sure everything is done. Also, I advise everybody to do a good procedure and good training for their staff to improve their fire safety and make sure all their staff, they know the risk of fire. Risk assessment for your premises is very, very important and very vital. Do not be afraid to contact the fire department. They will come and check and give you a good advice, and it will be very beneficial for yourself, because believe me, it's devastating if you have to close your business and start all over again. It's not a very nice thing.